Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a photo as a wallpaper on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. There are several methods that allow you to set the photo as your wallpaper. So the first one is by going to settings, and then in the settings you will need to go to personalize. On the left side over here you can choose the wallpaper, and over here you have my photos. If you select my photos, it will open the list of folders where you contain photos or different pictures. In my case, I only have camera folder, so I can go to camera, and then over here I can select my image in order to set it. The other method is by simply going to any of the apps that contain the photos. So let's say I can go to Files by Google. So if I open Google over here, this Google folder, over here I have Files, and now we can go to Images, and of course over here we have different photos. This is the picture that I have taken. I can tap these three dots in the top right corner. There we go. And over here I can choose Use As. And there we go. We have Photos Wallpaper. And now we will see the preview of the photo, how it looks like. And we can see how it looks like for the home screen. So this is just a pure preview. We can also move the photo a little bit, adjust it if needed. We can also see how it looks like during the lock screen, and once we are done, press this check in the bottom right corner, and then you can select where you want to have it, home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both, and there we go. Now it seems that this method is the best one to set wallpaper, because if you go to personalize settings and go to my photos that I have shown you as the first method, then sometimes this is bugging, like lagging and so on and so forth. As you can see now, it came back to the previous folder, now it's working again, and sometimes you get the messages that the app stopped working. So overall I have a bad experience with this method, and I definitely prefer to use that previous one, the second one, through the Files app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.